Well, good morning. I'm here in Borroloola. Buralura. Either way, got a lift in, which is a decision I've had a bit of time to reflect on, and I still think it was the right decision. I overestimated those roads. Across the border there, the quality was just not the standard which I'd had in Queensland, and I really struggled with that. Didn't have enough food, and it's weird when you're doing something like this. The smallest inconveniences can blow out of proportion, and equally the smallest good deed or good thing that happens can elevate you beyond belief as far as your day goes in happiness. It truly is a roller coaster, and stuff like punctures and dragging 30 or 40 kilos through sand, it just drained me so quickly. And yeah, it was hard. It was hard. Part of me thinks I took the easy way out. I'm sure some people might say that, but it's a decision that at the moment I'm happy with. I'm feeling out the other side of it. I'm feeling great now. Got a big ride today. We're doing 115. I'm here with Sean and Ant. Sean, you saw in the last video. They're on proper mountain bikes with big old tires, and they said, in their opinion, it's the hardest, most remote part of the country to be cycling in. And it's a route that I didn't have to take as well. There's bitumen the whole way. I wanted to take that route, and quite frankly, it beat me. But that's all good. I'm happy. Now we've just come up to the shop here. Finally in the land of fresh fruit and veg. 2 kilos of bananas, a couple of avocados and mandarins, and some sardines and whatnot. Keep us going for the next couple of days. Boys behind me are just packing in some food, and then we'll be good to go. 112 k's to Cape Crawford tonight. This will be a fair old ride. It's about 9:30 now, so we're getting on the road. We'll get moving. 8 k's in.
I'm just worried that it keeps on.
Sean's got a flat. We've come about 45 k's. Just having a stop off at this Carabrini Nature Reserve, which is awesome. There's trees growing out of rocks. Really cool spot. Northern Territory's turning it on. Such a tourist.
Do you want me to take a photo of you with that in the background, mate?
Oh yeah. It's about 85 k's done. Feeling good. Finally got some fresh fruit. Had avocados, bananas, some sardines for lunch. And yeah, probably another 20, 30, probably 30 to go to get to Cape Crawford and the apparently famous Heartbreak Hotel. Should be good. I'll see you there. So we've made it in. 112k, 114k done. It's my biggest day so far. These guys, what's your biggest day? That one.
140 something.
140 is the biggest day. Here at the Heartbreak Hotel, just setting up. One of the caravanners has shouted us all a beer as well. Cheers. Jeez, this light is so bright. It's about 6 a.m. Gonna hit the road early today. 100 k's to do. Just having some sardines, bananas, oranges and all that for breakfast. Should be good. Keen to get it done today. Got 101 to do. 854 k's to Darwin. Yow!
You know Snake Flanders, his son Jimmy's got this tattoo.
We come just on 70 k's, another 30 to go. Ready to go, mate? You ready to go?
Ready to roll.
Just made it to October Creek, 111 k's done. No water in the water tank.
Would not keep a frog alive.
I got a little sewing needle somewhere.
You do?
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Never worked as well as yours.
Yeah. 3-ton caravan.
Got a bit of slop for dinner. Potatoes, onions, water with some flour. Yum. So just leaving now. It's about 7:10. Got 170 k's to Daly Waters, which is sort of our next caravan park. So we'll probably smash that out in 2 days. So about 85 k's today. Should be good. So good riding with other people. It just makes a massive difference. It's pretty crazy, really. Feeling great. Loving life. Fresh from last night. Can I try a bit of this with the olive oil?
Not even that much, just a tiny bit.
With olive oil?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Bit of salt.
Oh, just a bit of bread.
The motor flying.
Mm.
You don't need much to make that pretty good, do you? Like a little bit of
that's
sugar
good.
if you want
I'm happy with
dessert or spice.
We ended up pushing, did 120, had a big old tailwind behind us pretty much all day. So breezed on through. Got about 50 k's to Daly Waters tomorrow for a good pub feed. Just leaving our little bush camp now. Only got 50 k's to do to get to Daly Waters. Should be a good day. Had a tailwind yesterday, didn't we, Ant?
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll have the same again today.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Shawnee here's decided to ride bareback this morning. Brave man, covered in flies. How good. So we've made it into Daly Waters. Got here real early, around 10:30. Just been hanging out really. Haven't even got the tent set up. Just been doing some maintenance on the bike. Cleaned all the chain and all whatnot. I've also broken my chair. Which sucks. But yeah, just gonna take it easy today. Probably have dinner here. There's absolutely nothing here to buy. No tins or anything. There is a shop actually in Daly Waters, which is about 7 k's away. And about 5 k's of that, I'd have to come back on myself. I think tomorrow we're just gonna do about 55. But we'll leave in the arvo, have a nice break in the morning, and yeah, leave in the arvo. We'll see you in the morning.